Good morning everyone. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start revision of chapter 15. In the previous class we completed revision of chapter 14. Now I want to ask some questions to you. Have you remembered whatever I taught you on that day in the previous class? All of you are ready? Ready? Yes? Let's get started. First question is, you have to answer me, Madhubani art belongs to which state? And you have to write answer where? In the comment section you have to answer me, Madhubani art belongs from which state? Next question is, Worli art belongs from which state? Write down the name of the state. Next question is, Patachitra art belongs from which state? Tanjore painting, Fard painting. You have to write down the name of the states in the comment section. Now answer me, in which art form shapes are used to create? All of you have understood what have I asked you right now, and you have to answer me in the comment section. Now we will start revision of chapter 15. What is the title of chapter 15? Sports. All of you love to play. Of course, children, they like to play a lot. So in this chapter, what you have to prepare for the examination, for the final assessment, we will discuss right now those things that what you have to keep in your mind. First, you should know about the benefits of sports. Why should we play game? Why should we participate in sports? All of you know about this one, that sports gives us stamina, they keep us fit and healthy, they help to build team spirit. If we play outside, it means we get opportunity to mingle with our friends. So sports help in developing social skills, they boost creativity and innovation, and they are a source of relaxation. We relax in that time, we enjoy in that time to play. There are so many benefits of sports. That's why your teachers and parents, they encourage to you to play outside, to play outdoor games, to play indoor games. But mobile phones, no, you should not watch mobile phones. All of you know about this one? Okay, so you have to remember about the benefits of sports. Now come on the next topic, Olympic Games. Olympic Games, here you have to remember that Olympic Games started thousands of years ago. Where? In Greece. Where? Greece. You have to remember this one, that Olympic game was started where? In Greece. It is held after every 4 years. What is the duration of Olympic Games? That it is held after every 4 years. You have to also remember this one. And how many rings in the logo of Olympic Games? All of you know about this one, 5 rings. You have to learn this one. You have to remember this one. So here, what should you remember? That Olympic game was started where? In Greece, and it is held after every 4 years. And in the logo of Olympic Games, there are how many rings? 5 rings. These things you have to remember. All of you have learnt? Okay, perfect. Now come on the next topic. Do you know this one, that during the ancient times, the winners of Olympic Games, they were awarded with olive crowns. They didn't get medals like presently whatever they get winners, they get medals, in the previous time they got olive crowns. Now come on the next topic, gymnastics. Now here what you have to learn, you have to remember that one about the benefit of gymnastics, that it requires great strength, flexibility and control over the body. It also keeps us fit and healthy. And there are different types of gymnastics, and gymnastics are also a part of Olympics. Next, swimming. Do you know how to swim? Swimming is a very good exercise. See, there are 4 categories of swimmers for swimming, and swimmers, they have to compete in 4 categories: freestyle, butterfly, breaststroke and backstroke. All of you know about this one because we have already discussed in the class about the freestyle of swimming, how to swim in freestyle. Then butterfly, breaststroke, backstroke, here you should know about the categories of swimming that swimmers, they have to compete. Then here you have to remember that in 2016, Michael Phelps, you have to remember the name of this person. Why you have to remember the name of this person, Michael Phelps? Because in 2016 he became the first person to win the highest number of medals in the Olympic Games. That's why he is very important. In which year? In 2016. Then you have to remember this one, that Michael Phelps in 2016 he became the first person, he got the highest number of medals in Olympic Games. All of you have remembered. Now come on the next topic, cricket. Do you like to play cricket? Cricket is very popular game, very popular sports of our country. It is one of the most popular sports played in India, and there are 2 teams, they play cricket. And how many players are there in each team? You have to remember this one. How many players? 11 players. Here you have to keep in your mind that how many players play in each team in cricket sports? 11 players. And then you have to learn the name of the tournaments are held to play this sport worldwide, such as ODI, World Cup, One Day International, Ranji Trophy, all of you have learned the name of the tournaments that are held to play cricket. Which sport? Cricket. Name of the tournaments are ODI World Cup, Ranji Trophy, and the board of control for cricket in India, BCCI, you have to remember the full form of this one, BCCI. The Board of Control for Cricket in India handles all the operations for the Indian cricket team. It means there is control of BCCI on which Indian cricket team. The ICC World Cup is played every 4 years. You have to also remember about ICC World Cup. Then remember that cricket was first introduced in India by the British. They introduced cricket in India. Then football. Do you play football? In this sports also there are two teams play football, and how many players are there in each team? 11 players, same like cricket, football, 11 players, 2 teams. And here you have to remember the name of the tournaments of this sport, football, such as FIFA World Cup. And now you have to answer me that what is the full form of FIFA, because we have already discussed in the class, and Indian Super League. FIFA World Cup is played every 4 years. Here you also have to remember that this World Cup is also played every 4 years like ICC World Cup. So it's very easy to remember that ICC World Cup and FIFA World Cup both are same for 4 years. And now we have revised this chapter. This is quick revision for you, that how you have to complete this chapter for the final assessment. Only these things you have to remember for this one, and this is very easy for you. I know that all of you are so intelligent. You will be able to learn, and you have to also watch the video whatever I taught you, and learn all the exercise, read out question answers for the final assessment. And in the next class, I'll also ask some questions to you related to this chapter. So you have to revise this chapter properly, and we will revise chapter 16 in the next class. Thank you. Have a good one.